welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and I don't know if you've seen the Root Boy cooks or not, but about a week ago I won some rub on his channel. Don't know how that happened, but thanks, Sal. I really appreciate it. And today with the mail call, the rub is here. So let's give it a look. Okay, I've got a Root Boy rub number 1, beef and bison rub. Okay. Looks like we have 2 of those. RB number 1, Root Boy number 1 rub. And it looks like we have Root Boy rub number 2, chicken and pork rub. And there's also 2 of those. So Sal, man, thank you so much. I did not expect that, but hey, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. So tonight, since I won some of this chicken and pork rub, I'm going to do some fried chicken on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. I know, not really fried, but it's going to be just like fried chicken on the pellet grill. And we'll get inside, show you how we prepare it. But anyway, once again, if you haven't seen the Root Boy Cooks channel, go to his channel, check him out. He's got a lot of great cooks. Thanks again, Sal, for the rubs. Gonna give it a try. We'll let you know how it tastes. All right, we're gonna get inside. And of course, another windy day. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna have to interrupt that video. As you can see, I got distracted towards the end of this cook. So instead of doing the crispy chicken on the pellet grill, we gotta fix that. It got cooked a little bit more. If you can, here, check this out right here. All right, let me go get my tray. We'll take these off. A little dark on one end. That's all good. Listen to that. Crunchy. Take a bite. Really good. Hey, it happens, but the chicken did not get overcooked, just the breading. So we're gonna save, we're gonna do the crispy chicken thighs on another video sometime in the future though. Today I'm gonna fix that chicken. We're gonna do some chicken patties on the Blackstone. We'll fix this. Sal, sorry for that intro. Well, the intro's good. I did receive that awesome Root Boy rub. And I'm going to use the Root Boy rub in the chicken patties. So let's get this fixed and we will get on with this video. Okay, so here is my burnt crust, but the chicken was good. So what we're going to do is with the burnt crust is I'm just going to peel it off of the chicken. And we're going to use the chicken for these patties. They're already cooked. And this is a way to save a failed cook. Just take all the breading off of it and you end up with chicken like this. And now I need to remove the chicken from the bone on these thighs. But you know, hey, these thighs are still good. The breading was a little burnt. It was still tasty, but just a little too burnt for making a really good video. So we'll do that another time. So anyway, I'm gonna take all the meat off of these chicken thighs and I'll get this sped up here just like that. Now what I ended up with is about 4 cups of chicken. And what I'm going to do is use Sal Root Boy rub number 2. Thank you, Sal, again. And I'm going to add about, I don't know, about a tablespoon maybe. I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the top of this chicken. And then you can shred this chicken if you want. I like to just go ahead and cut it up in small bits. So when I make my patties, they come out a little more uniform than a shredded would. So after that, I'm going to take some breadcrumbs, about 1.5 cups, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Root Boy rub number 2. Mix it in. I'm going to add a little bit more. And like I said, I think it's about a tablespoon. So get that mixed up, and then I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to get our meat mixture put together. So I'm going to start with the 4 cups of chicken. It's all chopped up nice. Just get that in my bowl. I'm going to get a large enough bowl where you can move things around. And I'm also going to add about a 1/3 cup of chopped green chili that I had left over from the other night. You know, hey, it's New Mexico. We love our green chili, so that's got to be in this. I got a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and don't leave the mayonnaise part out. It helps with the binder. It helps keep the chicken moist. So a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of dried parsley. I don't have any fresh parsley, so hey, dried always works. And then of course I got to have my garlic pepper. You can add salt and pepper if you like. I like the salt, pepper, garlic. I'm adding just about a tablespoon. And I got a 1/3 cup of flour. And then I'm going to add 1 egg. And then number 2, so 2 eggs. And then I'm going to use about a little over a cup of 4 cheese Mexican blend shredded cheese. We're just going to dump that in there, and now we want to just get this all mixed up really well. Just use your hands. You want to make sure you break up those egg yolks and get everything mixed together really well. Kind of like when you're making a meatloaf, but we're making chicken patties. And then after you get it all mixed nice, I'm going to cover this with saran wrap, and we're just going to place this in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. And just let all the flavors kind of combine and sit and cooled off. And there you go. 45 minutes later, we have it. Got my breadcrumbs. And I'm going to use a ice cream scoop. And since I have 4 cups of chicken, I want to make approximately a 1/2 cup per patty. So just take a scoop. I'm going to make, just going to set them here and then form some balls out of them. You can just eyeball it with a regular spoon. The ice cream scoop works well. You can just pull it out by hand, however you want to do it. And then I'm going to roll these into little balls. And then, so once you have the balls rolled, you want to roll the ball in the breadcrumbs and RB rub number 1. And then form your patties. And you want to smash them out to about a 1/2 inch thick. You want them to be about the size of your bun. You don't have to worry about these shrinking down because it's pre-cooked chicken. And just like that. Just make a nice patty. Let me show you one more time. Just throw the chicken ball in there. Get it nice and coated with the breadcrumb. Again, you want to flatten it out to about a 1/2 inch and to about the size of whatever buns you're using. And since they're all about a 1/2 cup, this is going to make 8 patties. So we'll just whip right through these patties. And it's that easy. And these are nice breaded chicken patties. Check this out. Here is all 8 of them right here. And we are going to take these out to the Blackstone Griddle and get these griddled up. I'm going to use about a tablespoon. Then you just kind of coat around where you're going to be cooking. I'm going to let this heat up for a minute. Now that it's heated, I'm going to add my patties. And I can fit all 8. I have the 2 burners on like a medium low. It's not medium, it's just under medium. So, you want it warm enough to brown your patties. Just after a couple minutes, check them, flip them. But you're not only just browning the patties, you want them to cook a little bit. I did add about another tablespoon when I flipped them, but you want them to cook a little bit because you do have the egg and the cheese inside these patties, and you want that to heat up and cook. And once they're done, just take them off and let them cool, because when they're hot, they're still a little fragile. Let them cool down so you can handle them. They'll stay together with the cheese. So there you go. Now I'm gonna throw a little more olive oil down instead of butter to help toast my buns. And we're only making 3 sandwiches, so I'm gonna just put 3 buns, 3 halves of buns, 6 buns. And you just let them toast. It only takes a minute or 2. And once they're nice and toasty, you just flip them over, make sure they're all good. Then top them, get them off. And stick it inside, and here you go. That's my breaded chicken sandwich. I just have a piece of Havarti cheese on there, some mayonnaise. You can put whatever you want. Okay, chicken patty, fried up, crispy. There we go. All I put on there was a little Havarti, a little mayonnaise. Got this light right above me, showing off all my dark black hair. Anyway, here we go. It's got green chilies in it. It's got 4-cheese Mexican blend in it and a piece of Vardy. You can make them however you want. Tomato, lettuce, onion, whatever. This has green chili. That's all I need. That is good. And remember, I have some of Root Boy number 2 in there. That is really good. Okay. I'm gonna go finish inside. Not too cold tonight. Probably in the 35 maybe. Anyway, I'm gonna get inside. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.